Nvidia is keep on dropping super heavy. So on this day, of course, we suppose that this stock should really have gone up to $116 or $120. That was a resistance that we were really looking for. But now look at this nasty level that Nvidia is really dropping. Nvidia is probably, I think so, it want to really touch down to $106. This is the scenario what I see on Nvidia, and it's trying to really cleanly consolidate. So let me just take this out. So it's trying to really consolidate on these levels right here to $111 to $116. Pre-market goes up, market opens, flushes down. This is really nasty on Nvidia. But if any one of you are holding positions on Nvidia, especially on the leverage, I don't know how you guys handle, but again, my advice you to is, if I would have been you, of course, I will reduce down the position if I'm using margin. And secondly, of course, I will also try to swing trade, day trades even on the other stock in order to generate more money, so I can just take that profit and pump into Nvidia more and more. I traded a stock here, and you can see right here, traded serve and made $47,000 on serve stock. Of course, even you can do this. You can click the link down in the description below, and of course take advantage of this, trade this, and you will gonna love it. So we are forming a beautiful community. People are trading, they're taking advantage, and they are loving it. And even you can do this. Take this profit when you make this profit and add this profit into your long-term or Nvidia, whatever good stocks you're trying to trade. Take for the swing trade long term, try to add this money there. So of course your positions will go bigger and bigger. And plus, if you don't have money in extra in your hand, you can make profit with this kind of stocks and put money on the side. So if you don't know, of course, you'll be taught, you can learn. But again, the link is down in the description, the Discord link. You can join and you can see. Of course, I will not keep it for free, because if I keep it for free, everyone will join the group and it'll be garbage, and I don't want. That's why I kept something minimum price, just less than $20, and you can do that. And if you want, you can, or if you don't want, just let it. So let's go back to Nvidia to see what Nvidia is really doing. So Nvidia is trying to go down to $106. This is how what the case is really looking. But also here we got here we got a next scenario that is, it's trying to consolidate to these levels. So I'm just trying to draw that. So these are the levels it's trying to really consolidate between this 111 and 116. This is the consolidation area for this stock. And I think if it breaks below that, 106 is on the radar. So probably we'll know tomorrow or day after tomorrow where the stock is really heading. Or if it just really goes up, then it's a pure consolidation. Pure consolidation. But someone in the comments, of course, they said, of course, this stock is heading down to $98 or $97, but probably first it has to touch that $106, then we can think, because you see here it's on a very clear downtrend. This is what I am seeing, $106 on a very absolute clear downtrend. I'm seeing this stock, and look at this flushing, on a crazy amount of flushing, it's going down. Of course, I think so pullback is needed, but not so hard. So let me just remove this and make it really nice and beautiful, more accurate. So even if it bounces, probably it might bounce here to 113. So the max, it might bounce to 113 and flush back down. 109, flush back down. 108 and flush back down. 106. But can it really go to $97? I think so. It can go. It has chances, like thin chances, but it doesn't have really high chances. 106 seems a little bit more reasonable, because trying to come here to last year, sorry, 31st May. So yeah, 31st May is trying to really copy that and trying to really make that as a print now. If it really comes down to $106 and it'll be double bottom, and probably then it can really make a confirmation and it can bounce back because the earnings are coming. Of course, even the earnings sessions really started, but now the biggest company, they have to really put out the earnings. That is Amazon, that is Microsoft. If they put out, of course, we'll know the guidance and we will see where the stock is really heading. And if those companies really put out the good numbers, probably Nvidia can really go retrace back to $130, $125, because above $116, this stock has a clear chance to really skyrocket above $150 when really the earnings comes out. But I don't know why they're really trying to keep the stock really down, because this seems like a short position on Nvidia, because of course before earnings they can even cover the short positions. They can even cover the short positions, and when they cover the short positions, this can really go to $124, and from there I think so it's kind of easy to go to $150, because a stock can move 10 to 20% at the time of earnings, and that can really push the stock above $150. But if it goes on a very slow pace, because I think so there is one massive reason the stock is really going on a very slow pace, that the only reason is because the stock really crossed $2.5 trillion market cap. That's the reason they don't really want to add more money for this stock to become overpriced, overvalued. That's the reason they don't want to add the stock on a overvalued area. So if they do that, of course, I think, of course, the Fed will have an eye on this kind of stocks. The market is getting priced in, and of course, the inflation comes in play then. So guys, let's see $106 if it comes or not, but I think so tomorrow can be the day that we can see $106. But again, if it really is flushing down, probably it should go to this resistance of 114, 113, 111, probably then flush back down. But if it doesn't, let's see, we have to cross at $116 first. Only then and then we are gonna go on the north side, that is $124, or else again we will continue down to 106. But if it goes to 106, it'll be some ugly, nasty news, and we don't want to really hear that, of course, right? Of course we don't want that. So guys, if you're holding position and if you're unrealized loss, don't panic. If you want to trade with us, join the group. The link is down in the description, Discord group, and you can come enjoy the party. The party is on. Make some profit. Add those profits in this positions. If you want to buy or holding, you can add. You can make more money and grow your portfolio. But it takes time. Everything goes slow with patience, but in a safe way. So thank you so much. Again, this video is not for any financial advice. It's only for educational purpose, and it's just my idea how I trade, how I approach, and how I really invest. If you like it, just do it. If you don't like it, just ignore it. And if you like the video, just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, because I'm making these videos for you guys to have some idea what the stock is doing and where it's heading. And follow me on Instagram if you want, and join the group if you want, and trade with us and trade live with us. So as you saw on SERV, made $47,000. Again, I will show you SERV, $47,000 on SERV, $47,000 on SERV in a single trade. You can do this. You can make money on this and put this money on Nvidia or whatever stock you want and add on large caps. So you can take advantage of this. Thank you so much. Probably see you in the next video, and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and to tell thanks, you can just subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much. See you next time.